Chill Out Go back on the video. I know the other video that I just made, it was to explain to you guys what kind of food to eat if you want to get, shredded, if you want to lose some fat. So this video kind of explained to you, this is kind of like part 2, the exercise of the things that I told you. Eat the food and do the exercise that I'm about to show you right now. It's going to be 25 seconds work and 15 seconds rest. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go.
Area music. That was the last one. I told you to push, right? That was the last one. Not so hard. It is 25 seconds, but it definitely go hard if you do it the way I was doing it. Intensity, sweat just went in my eyeball. It's hurting. It feels like spicy went in my eyeball. But anyway, this video is sponsored by Book Supplement. Get your Book Supplement products. Link is gonna be in the description. Use code CHILLOUTGO, 12% off. I promise you, this is affordable product. So Make sure you go get one for yourself and get booked up. Link in the description. And once again, use code Chilago. It's your boy. And I'll see you in another video. Peace.